Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Amazon app or website stuck on loading. Let's get started. First, make sure that your device is actually connected to the internet. You can try opening another website or app to confirm. If your connection is slow or unstable, restart your router or switch to a different network. After that, open up your settings. Inside settings, tap on General. Scroll below, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, search for Amazon and then tap onto it. Now tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This helps remove temporary files or glitches that may be preventing the app from loading properly. After that, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store, and then in the search bar, simply search for Amazon. And if this button says Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. Installing the latest version can fix bugs, speed up performances, and solve loading problems. And after that, restart your device. Sometimes the simplest fix works the best. Turn your device off completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back again. This refreshes the system and clears out temporary issue that may be affecting the Amazon app. If nothing else works, uninstall the Amazon app completely and then reinstall it from the App Store. A fresh install clears out corrupted or outdated files that might be causing the loading issues. That's it. Following these steps, you should be able to fix most loading issues with Amazon app or website. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.